Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today, I'm going to explain the basics of AlexNet. So, AlexNet is one of the familiar model and also first model where won the award and so on. So, the basic whenever one go for research or anything, you can compare with some other models, VGG16 and so on. So, whenever one contribution, please go ahead with the playlist and continuously support our channel. So before going with AlexNet, we have to know what is the meaning of convolution. So convolution is, you can say, process of applying a filter over an image to modify it. So if I image, what can I do? If I image, I want modify means what can I do? You can go for the process of convolution and pooling. So why you go for pooling? Because if you want to reduce the dimensionality of the data, you can go for pooling process here. So here now generally about this AlexNet, what is one of the classic convolution neural network. Moreover, it have max pooling, convolutions, and dense layer and so the building blocks. Moreover, generally consists of 5 convolution layer, 3 max pooling, 2 normalization layers, 2 fully connected layers, and 1 softmax layer. So we can simply say the remaining general thing about this means a training time. So if you go for AlexNet, it uses rectified linear unit and also reduce the training time also. Advantage is training time. It consists of 8 layers generally with more learnable parameters. And also you have to remember here the input is what? The input mode is RGB image. So if you go work with implementation or anything later, the input is as a RGB images only. Moreover, each convolution layer consists of convolution filter and nonlinear activation function of read also. And this is the architecture where the input images, just not only RGB measure like that, consists of 227 multiplies 227 multiplies 3 and so on. Then we can apply the convolution like that. As I told you, the layers after that you can go for a parameter. So we can approach 60 million parameters in AlexNet. That is possible. At last we can go for softmax layer also. So the general architecture. Later we go for implementation where we get more clarity about the AlexNet or seen in model, one of the success model. So the input axis is always fixed due to the presence of fully connected layer. As seen in the diagram, here just now told you 224 into 224 or 227 into 227 into 3 also. So model details. So here the ReLU is an activation function and user layers, nomination layers which are not common anymore. And batch size is just 128. And here GD is there. Moment as a learning algorithm and ensemble of models to get the best. Ensembling of models means clubbing 2 or more models. So if you want, you can club 2 or more models and go for ensemble for get better results. So this is about basics of AlexNet. I hope that you have idea about what is AlexNet, one of the CNN model, best award-winning model in the starting stage. There will be a lot of models there. You can compare with AlexNet with others. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.